You must have seen a sprinkler watering a garden. Have you noticed the area that is watered by the sprinkler? The sprinkler releases water over a circular region. But sometimes the rotation of the sprinkler is controlled to release water to a specific part of the circular region. What is this part of the circular region called? This region is called a sector of a circle. It looks like a pizza slice, doesn't it? A sector can be in the form of a semicircle or a quarter circle. Any part of a circle bounded by two radii and the corresponding arc is called a sector of the circle. A sector may be a major sector or a minor sector. Unless stated otherwise, a sector refers to the minor sector of the circle. So when a sprinkler is watering a part of the circular region, it is in fact watering a sector of the circular region. Now, how do you find out the area of the sector? We know that the area of a circle is pi r square. Now, let's apply the unitary method here. Let's consider the circle as a sector that forms a 360-degree angle at the center. When the angle at the center is 360 degrees, the area of the sector is pi r square. By the unitary method, the area of a sector that forms 1 degree angle at the center is pi r square upon 360. So the area of a sector with theta degree angle at its center is theta multiplied by pi r square upon 360. You can use this formula to calculate the area of any sector. If we know the arc length of the sector instead of its angle, we can still calculate the area of the sector. So if you know either the angle at the center or the length of the part of the circumference being watered, you can calculate the area of the sector being watered. Suppose you want to use this part of the sector to grow cacti. As you do not want the water from the sprinkler to reach this part, you have cordoned off this portion by using a waterproof fence along the chord of the circle. This portion of the circular region enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc is called a segment of the circle. A segment can either be a major segment or a minor segment, depending on their size. Unless specified, a segment refers to the minor segment of a circle. Suppose you want to find out how much area of the circle is used for growing the cacti. In other words, you need to find the area of this segment. We'll use our knowledge of the area of a sector to find the area of a segment. We know that the area of sector OXPZ is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now, the area of sector OXPZ minus the area of triangle OXZ gives us the area of segment XPZ. We can use this formula to find the area of any segment of a circle. You can now use the formula to calculate how much area of the circle is used up for growing the cacti.